Saturday, September 21st, 2024, and this is vlog number 161. It's around 6 p.m. and the purpose of these vlogs is to be a document of the present moment and be a stream of consciousness public journal. And we are blessed to have this moment, this day. Just living is a great privilege and a joy, and it's a present. So just being alive here, just like take a moment to like be like, this is amazing, this is happening. Like, you're alive, you're well, you're healthy, you have everything you need. Like, what could you possibly want more than the present moment? So that's gratitude. This morning, okay, I'll just like talk about my day. This morning I woke up around 9:30 or something, or 9. I did a meditation. Like typically I do it's like a few minutes like relaxation, centering exercise from the Jose Silva method, and then kind of like sometimes count down from 100 to 0, and sometimes and usually go through like a gratitude practice, like list out at least like 3 things I'm grateful for in my personal life, professional life, and what I'm thankful for about myself, to myself. And then I do the segment intending exercise when I divided up the day into sections, and I have like an intention for each one. Like, wouldn't it be nice to do this? So my first segment was like going to a cafe and like doing some of the hardest part of work, which I'm working on this project that requires migrating some data and moving some authentication systems on a mobile app. And then so I went to the cafe and had a coffee, and I did that, and it was all right. It feels good to make progress, and it's not always like something to like judge yourself about. Like, am I doing enough? Am I doing enough? It's always like you have to celebrate small wins, and you have to be grateful for the things that you do get done. And so then I went to the gym and I did some workout, and I was listening to a class on a mindfulness, and then I walked back, and it was kind of raining. I had an umbrella. Walked back to my apartment, and then I continued on with my work, and today I'm still continuing on. It's already 6, so I came back around 2 p.m. And around 2 or 2:30, I ordered some food. I ordered some banh mi, and it was so good. Banh mi is Vietnamese sandwiches, and so good with like pulled chicken and egg, like quail egg, and then a second one with like pork, and then I had some leftovers. And been making progress. Thank you, AI. AI has been making coding so much easier. Otherwise I would be like so upset right now, like about figuring out dependency issue errors on the server with like what Ubuntu version you have, what PHP version you have, what package version of Laravel do you have. Thank you, GPT-01 mini. You're great. So just blowing my mind, like so I'm excited. I'm with my other ideas, other world of going into. I've been like watching some like YouTubers that are around like meditation and like energy, and like kind of like things. And these are like really eye-opening about like, because this is like tapping into a whole area that I'm really interested in. And then I'm really just thinking about like how to move the needle forward with my other apps as well. So I have this big task right now, and I really just want it to be done. And so I'm kind of like, okay, it's already a couple of days. You know, whenever a task takes more than a couple of days, more than a day, I'm always like, I'm like wishing it would go faster. But like that's why it's really important to have patience and be able to keep going at a problem and not get discouraged. But also it's very very, very dangerous, because you can get stuck in in a project. You can get really stuck in the weeds, and then it just drains your time. That's the very dangerous part. So it's a balance between being very motivated to keep chipping away at a problem, but at the same time knowing when you are wasting time and when you need to take a step back and you need to reassess and you need to realign your energy with your goal. So this is a very, very thorny problem. So it's really good to be communicating with somebody. Maybe have a chat with an AI robot, AI chatbot. So, and I've just been burning with ideas about building new mobile apps. So right now I'm building this AI manifestation app that helps you remind yourself about your manifestation goals and how to tap into that mindset and frequency of your manifestation daily. So I've already been working on this one for almost a month, and it's not out yet. Most of the functionality is there, so I really just want to really have to like rework the design, give it a little bit more of iterations, and then put it out there in the App Store. So that's the real prize. It's a real goal for like the next 7 days. By next Saturday, I really want to have it out there. And then the second part is the Vision Pro app, the Dream Runner, which I'm very excited about. And this one has been I submitted one new update, and it's came back with a couple updates, changes that I need to make. And so I need to implement some changes, implementing a whole new revenue cat purchase system. So I've been doing this one on the side, but also like just mainly focused on this mobile app that's been taking up the majority of my time, and it's been really kind of just I just focused all of my energy on it and really just want to have it done. So these vlogs are helpful, and these are kinds of like a stand-up. And the third thing is this really exploring this space of a personal brand, and like what kind of things I feel passionate about. And there's a whole array, and one of them is meditation. Like I really want to do like more meditation content and dive deeper into this, different kinds of meditations. And second, so meditations like personal development, self development, personal growth, and then technology. I feel strongly about teaching people like technical topics and sharing my knowledge. So I'm going to go into this field as well. And I really love like the living art of like music, dance music. So what's that about? So I really like that. I feel like it's a part of life that I feel strongly about. And so and then the fourth part is like entrepreneurship, which means like not just the technical part, but also like but mainly about creating value, selling, marketing, distribution, social media, problem solving. These entrepreneurship, business, this is a whole nother world. So this is like the mix that I'm really into right now. And so I will give more shape to these ideas as I move forward. And now I'm like just kind of putting things out there. And I did like some live streams, and like live streams are like really interesting to see yourself creating. You see yourself working. You see like this is the process of work, and this is like, it's kind of like special. It's kind of like there's a good aura around it. There's a good vibe there. So I'll end it here, and peace.